In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this BMW 535i xDrive. This is going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. We're going to take the wheel off, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel on. That out and grab the wheel, slide it off. Take this nut off. We're going to use a 16mm socket, loosen it up. In our case, the stud is spinning, so when you go to loosen this up, it just spins. Another thing you can do is use a 16mm wrench and a T30 socket. Hold the stud from spinning and loosening this up. And then we'll just loosen this up by hand. Take the nut off and slide that out. Now underneath the vehicle, we're going to do the same. Use a 16mm socket. Try to take this nut off. Again, the stud is spinning. But here we're going to use some locking pliers, just on the back side. The locking pliers there, holding the stud. Now you can take the nut off, slide that out. Take the link, slide it in place. You can put it through the strut, also get it through the sway bar down here. There we go. That's good. Get the nut started. Using an 18mm wrench on the inside where the stud is, then a 15mm socket, tighten the nut down. So that's snug. And we're going to torque this to 42 foot-pounds. Put the nut on. The 18mm wrench on the back side. Snug that down, and we'll torque this to 42 foot-pounds. Now we're going to install the wheel. Line the wheel up, take the lug bolt, get that started. Snug that down, put the other bolts in. And snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts down to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.